new intro for the Journey to Alaska YouTube series featuring the 4 nomads. I'm Mike.
I'm Leanne. I'm Dawn.
And I'm Glenn.
And we are in Alaska. We are happy to be here in Alaska. We want you to continue following our journey, and we'll put up videos as we go. Friends, I want to take this time to tell you that I'm sorry for being so late in posting videos for our trip in Alaska. The problem was we moved so fast, we did so many things that I could not process the video fast enough in order to upload it in a timely manner. And I felt that the trip was too important to just willy-nilly just throw it up there and not process it the way it should have been. So I apologize for that. It's September. We are in Florida. We've ended our trip. We actually came back sooner than we thought. But I just wanted to say thank you for watching the channel. We really appreciate it. The trip to Alaska was fantastic, and we have some interesting things to show you as we go through the next 2 months worth of video. And I think you'll enjoy it. I hope you do. And let me know if you do, and let me know if you don't. So thanks again for watching. I appreciate it.